Hello again to all my friends, family members, teachers, pets, cats, dogs, whoever you are. Thank you for watching our video. Today we are looking at the volume. Well, we're not looking at the volume, we're looking at volume, but it is our student review edition. It's actually the student duo review edition, meaning I have 6 individuals. We're going to work in 3 pairs, because you know 6, whoops, that's a circle. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. So they're going to be duos, they're going to be pairs. But we're going to be looking at volume, so I'm going to get rid of all this jazz. And I'm going to ask them, what kinds of shapes are we going to use for volume? Student.
Cylinders.
Cylinders. We're going to draw ourselves a little cylinder here. It's red, it's a cylinder. You can think whatever you want of this. Starts with a C, might be some missing letters in there. Ends with a soup? Okay, that's too much information. We're going to get sued for that. No, we'll be fine, don't worry. What else can we think of?
We can think of a triangle-based prism.
Triangular-based prism. Do. And we put those dotted lines because that's in the back. And the last one?
Rectangular-based prism.
Rectangular-based prism. Which can also be named something else.
Cube.
A cube. Like a Rubik's Cube or a probability cube, which is commonly known as a different name. But anyways, we are going to start off with... What should we start off with? Let's go in order. We'll do a cylinder first.
Yeah.
Do.
I believe in that.
This is a big cylinder. Alrighty, and we're going to say that this distance from here to here, from those 2 points, I'm going to make it outlined a bit more. We're going to make that 8 centimeters. And we're going to make this distance here, from here to here, we're going to make that 12 centimeters. So, I pass it on to students A and P, and they will continue away. And be sure to tell us exactly what you're doing so we understand.
Okay, see, we are going to do volume. Volume equals, student P will be writing at this current moment, equals the formula, so pi, which is 3.14,
squared
multiplied by
times the
radius squared, and because it's up above the r, that means that you're multiplying the radius by 2.
No.
No,
We're multiplying the radius by
2.
itself, not 2.
Itself.
Nice try, though. It's okay.
If you think about it, then he is right. And equals 3.14, which is pi.
Pie is also delicious.
Yes.
apple pie
Pumpkin.
times
Multiplied
I'm actually not a fan of it.
by the radius, which is, if you think about it, 8
4.
centimeters divided by 2, because 8 centimeters is
So?
the diameter,
Right.
yeah
and divided by 2 would be 4 centimeters, which is the
centimeters.
radius. So 4 multiplied by 4
yep
will give
times
And
multiplied by height
times the height, which is 12
very good.
equals
All that put together, 3.14 times 4, 48.
602.88.
Woo, that's big.
602.88 centimeters
That's a lot of whatever was in that cylinder.
cubed.
That's,
That's
what
a
is
3.
that?
That's a 3.
It's cubed
It's cubed, that's right. Why is it cubed?
because it's the amount
But
of
it's a cylinder, it doesn't look like a cube.
So you can still fit many different
Many little
pixel
cubes.
cubes inside that.
That is exactly how many, 1 by 1, cubes can
And
fit
you
inside.
can cut it in half, which would give you 2 halves make a whole, which
Mhm.
creates 1.
Very nice. And what are we missing?
We are
Sentence.
missing
Well, sentence, yeah.
Sentence.
Just to
So,
clarify everything at the end.
I'll
Therefore,
write it down. I'll not write it down
We
here.
may write it at the bottom.
Therefore,
The
the
volume of this cylinder
volume of
Someone's shoes are
this
covered in dirt. Before me.
cylinder, I might spell this wrong. Cylinder is 602.88
88 centimeters cubed,
centimeters
not
cubed.
squared.
And we apologize if you can't see that because of the watermark, but we've set it and it's there, so we're good.
Yep.
And change is dropping. Alrighty,
Okay.
All
so
right.
that's good for that question. Now how about you give us a question for our next pair?
Here.
We are switching pages.
Mm-hmm.
We are going to do a rectangular,
That's not a rectangle.
triangle, triangular prism. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
It's been a long day at work. You see, this we're gonna make 5 centimeters.
Backwards
This
Z.
we are gonna make 4 centimeters, and this we are going to make 12 centimeters again.
Very nice. So we're going to pass it on to students
K and C.
Very nice. Thank you, A and B.
C.
Okay.
Okay, so do you want me to explain this time?
Yeah, you explain it. I write.
Speak up a bit.
The that's an E.
No, yeah.
Nope, wrong.
Equals.
Length times width. Oh, no.
Yeah.
Times width.
Nope, don't press and roll. Just, yeah.
Times width divided by 2. And times height.
You can write it underneath the multiplication sign. Just right underneath there, yeah.
There you go. Equals.
Nope. Equals is over here. Remember? Always line up your equal signs and erase that bit.
12, or not 12. 15.
15? No, I think it's just a 5.
And 5.
5, right?
5 times 4.
That is correct.
Divided by 2. Times 12. Equals the bottom right there.
So 5 times 4 divided by 2, that should be 10.
120.
10 times, yeah, there you go.
It's
Equals. Yeah, no, you're right. You said it, I believe.
120
1, 2, 0, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. 120.
centimeters cubed. That's a it's backwards C.
That's okay. We know it's
It's fine.
centimeters. We can fix it up, right?
Okay. What are we missing after you did that? What are we missing now? The
We're missing
second.
something to make everything.
Therefore.
We're gonna have to write a bit smaller for this one.
Okay.
The volume
Or
the V
B
of the shape
of
this shape. That's
That's how you spell
Yep, S-H-A-P-E. A little angle, but that's okay.
it? Okay.
Is
is 120. Oh, 120 centimeters cubed.
right underneath.
Done.
Okay. Yeah. So now on the next page.
Okay, so we're gonna draw our last shape, our last height that we haven't done yet, and allow our last duo.
So let's make it. Oops. That's a cube, I guess. So 12 centimeters. I should make it smaller.
Okay. Drop my
There.
copy again.
12 centimeters. And then
So is this a cube or is this
It's a cube.
It's a cube, okay. So that's the information we need. It is a cube and it has the side length of 12 centimeters. So you think we can handle that?
The formula for a cube will be V equals length times width times height. Now I will pass it over to student E or L. Okay, so now we are going to write 12 times 12 times 12.
This volume is going to be huge.
And now we have to multiply that, and then that will equal 1,728 centimeters cubed.
Very nice. Therefore,
And passing it back to student C. Therefore, the volume is, or will be, whoopsie,
that's okay.
volume is 1,728 centimeters cubed.
Very nice.
And there we
Nicely.
go.
Hey, happy face, finish it off.
face.
Alrighty, so we're at 11 minutes, so we're going to do one more type of example. Please stop that. Thank you. So, we've talked about how to find volume, but what if we are given volume and we need to find another side? So I'm going to draw ourselves, no, it's not right. I'm going to draw a rectangular prism here. And I'm going to give us the volume. The volume is equal to 504 centimeters cubed. What I'm going to say is this side here is 7 centimeters cubed. Or, no, 7 centimeters, not centimeters cubed. This side here is 8 centimeters. I don't know what the height is, and I would like to find the height. Can anyone explain how to find the height? What steps am I going to take? Go ahead, student.
Times 7 times 8.
So I'm going to multiply 7 by 8. What does that give me?
It gives you 7.
Nope. Close. 56. 56. But what is that 56? What is 7 and what is 8? What are those values? What are they representing? What are those values? This 7 and this 8. Student, go ahead. What is that 7 and what is that 8? In this diagram? They are the length and the width. If 7 is length and 8 is width, or vice versa, same thing. And I don't know height, but I do know volume. Volume is 504. So we're going to say 504 is equal to the length times the width times the height. Well, we know the length times the width is giving us 56. So 56 times the height is equal to 504. So I need to somehow take this number and use it with this number to give me this number, this last one right here. How do I do that?
You divide 56. 504 divided by 56.
I'm going to divide 504 by 56. And when I do that, what number do I get?
You get this one, so 9.
We get 9 centimeters. So what we're saying is the height of this object is 9 centimeters. Yes. Now, is there any way I can check that? Any way I can find out if that's true or not?
You can multiply all the numbers together now.
So what we're going to do now is we're going to check it. We're going to use our formula. Volume is equal to length times width times height. We already knew that our length was 7, our width was 8, and we think our height is 9. So if we multiply 7 by 8 by 9, do we get 504? We do! Exclamation mark, centimeters cubed. Happy face.
Yeah.
Yay! Alrighty, we're reaching the end of our video. What we often do at the end is a try this. So those of you watching at home can actually take part and do some of this work. So we're going to have student A from our previous video come by and give us a try this. Whoa, I didn't mean to do that. There you go. There you go.
So for the try this, we're gonna do a triangular based prism, and the measurements are going to be 15 centimeters.
15.
we're gonna have 10 centimeters. And we're going to have, for the height,
For the height of the triangle.
yeah, the height of the triangle, 12 centimeters.
Very nice. Volume equals. And we're going to draw a big question mark. Whoop.
Try this, kid.
That's what we're going to try. Let me see if I can fill that in with my spray paint. Ooh, that looks pretty cool. Alrighty, what do we say at the end of each video?
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Hopefully this will help. I don't know about that. Yay! Everyone say goodbye.
Bye.